Hello, Augies Worldwide. I'm Dave Casler, amateur radio call sign KE0OG, here with another episode of Ask Dave. Our question today comes from Nedda W6IZV, and here is the question. Hi, I'm getting back into radio after 50 years. Not sure why. Anyway, well, it's always attractive. A lot of people come back to it later in life, so you're not alone. Anyway, I want to get a bug. And I remember my father, who taught me and my friends code, made a practice keyer. I believe it had a neon light and a tone. Anyway, I can't seem to find a schematic for anything, but wonder how I can use the oscillator you showed and attach a bug to it, or what I could make in its place. It was the $18 one. Well, prices have gone a little up in that period of time. But as it turns out, it's kind of interesting. A code practice oscillator that you would use for a straight key to practice Morse code is the same kind that you would use for a bug to practice. And as it turns out, Vibroplex makes both. This is the Vibroplex original, which is a modern copy of the one that was produced 100 years ago. And these are the places that you connect the keying circuit. Now, when you press this like this, in this direction, you make DAs. When you push it like this, this thing goes back and forth and makes dits. Now, Vibroplex has a code practice oscillator that, in my opinion, is a little bit on the expensive side, but let's see what we've got here. This came as a kit. I put the kit together. I actually bought this at Dayton a couple of years ago, where I bought the Vibroplex. And this is what you get when you put the kit together. It's just a code practice oscillator, or CPO, and you can see there it's Rev D, so they've changed it a little bit. It's got a speaker output. It's the 555 chip is a timer, and you can vary the speed right here. Okay, so we're going to plug this in here. Now, to do this, let's get the cable out. It does not matter what the polarity is. Now, when I say it does not matter what the polarity is, I'm talking about using a modern radio. If you use an old tube type radio, you can run into problems with the keying voltage can sometimes be quite high. So we're going to plug this in to the battery. Okay, now let's see what happens. Okay, this is the da da da. And here are the dits. Let's turn this out a little bit. Okay. As you can see, it takes some practice, which I don't have. So you just push it, it makes dots till it runs out of energy. And that's how you can practice your bug. This is a bug right here. Now, if you want something to practice with a modern paddle, that's a whole nother story. But this one works with just a standard code practice oscillator. This kit is available from Vibroplex, as you can see here. CPO Plus. Okay. Anyway, you can get this from Vibroplex too. You get both of them. Okay, so Nedda, yes, you can get these things. If you want to practice your straight keying, you can go to the ARRL. They have from time to time had a code practice oscillator kit available. They are fairly readily available what you want to look for on Amazon or just Google is Code Practice Oscillator, which is CPO, okay? That should get you where you want to go. You've got infinite number of choices. You can get both from Vibroplex if you'd like. If you already have the bug, then the thing you want to do is get just a regular Code Practice Oscillator. Now, if you're going to practice an iambic keyer or paddles, that's a whole nother story. And I've got a video on that too. Okay, so there you have it. So good luck in your work to get your bug under control. And until we next meet, 73.